In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design and schedule a social media post in Canva. We'll start with a ready-made template, polish your design, and then schedule it so it publishes automatically on the platform you choose. Begin by opening Canva and using the search bar at the top. Type Instagram post or Facebook post, depending on the format you need. Browse the templates and pick one that matches your brand's vibe or the message you want to share. Starting from a template is faster than creating a design from scratch, and you can fully customize it. Open the template, and you're ready to edit. Now finalize your design. Update the text to reflect your message, and keep it short and clear for readability. Replace any placeholder photos with your own images, or select high-quality visuals from Canva's library. Drag and drop to swap images quickly. Adjust the layout so everything looks balanced. Align elements, check spacing, and make sure important text isn't too close to the edges. Stick to your brand colors and fonts for consistency, and double-check that the design fits the post size you selected. When it looks clean and intentional, you're ready to schedule. To open the scheduler, go to the top right corner and click Share. Scroll down until you see Content Planner or Schedule, and click it. A calendar will pop up so you can plan your post. Choose when you want your post to go live by clicking the date on the calendar. Then set the exact time. Consider your audience's time zone and typical engagement hours to maximize visibility. Next, select the social media account. You'll see icons for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. Click the platform you want to use. If you haven't connected that account yet, Canva will prompt you to connect it. Follow the prompts, allow the necessary permissions, and continue. Make sure you select the correct profile or page if you manage more than one. Add your caption in the box that appears. Write a clear, engaging message and include relevant hashtags and emojis if they fit your tone. Place the most important information at the beginning and keep hashtags specific to your topic to improve reach without overloading the post. When everything looks good, click the blue Schedule button. Your post is now saved and will automatically publish on the date and time you selected. Give your design one last glance for typos and confirm the right account and timing, and you're all set.